Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to use the big picture mode on Steam. So once you are in your Steam app, here we can see menus, and here we can see second menus. And if you want to remove all of this extra part from your Steam and you want to use only big picture mode, then follow these easy steps. All you have to need, just click on this little enter big picture mode icon at the top right corner. Here, as you can see right now, I'm in big picture mode. And now you can easily use Steam without any menus or any extra part. This is how we can enable or use big picture mode for Steam. And if you want to exit of big picture mode, you just click on Steam menu and click on power, and here click on exit big picture mode. And then your big picture mode will be turned off and you will jump into normal mode. And if you want, whenever you open your Steam app, it will automatically launch in big picture mode. If you want to turn on this automatic option, then click on Steam and click on settings and click on interface. And here you will get this option, start Steam in big picture mode. Just enable this option, and after that, whenever you launch your Steam, it automatically open in big picture mode. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.